Okay, good morning everybody. So, after a closer look at some of the photos or the images I captured off of a video, uh, this gun barrel doesn't have that little flange sticking out like that. So I'm going to machine that off. I'll put that in the lathe and just cut that little flange there off. That's just for the model kit. And then I noticed that this bracket is a bit lower. It's a bit lower on the side of the turret. And this piece here, the Tongde piece, it's really hard to say how high it should be because the bullet guard on the pistol port and the pistol port is not quite correct. Right now I just got a piece of double-sided tape holding the ammo box and that on, and I think even the ammo box is a little bit too high. So that little bracket that comes with the tank, I'm probably gonna cut the little studs off it and positions, and like just glue it on a little lower, because the gun barrel, like, jeez, I need 3 hands. Like this little area of the gun barrel right here is right in line with that bracket. Actually, where like the little grooves are, it's actually like over here. So this gun barrel is shaped for the model kit. It's not perfect, but the gun barrel ends up like about right in the middle of the compartment. And if like I got my laptop down here looking at pictures, and so it's below that bracket that I have to rework, but it's at like the tip of the gun barrel. The muzzle of the gun barrel actually sticks above that compartment a little bit. So I don't know, maybe the ammo box isn't too badly located, but I think maybe I'll just move it down slightly. And this has to be down here. And you can see in this image how close the gun barrel is to the hinge on that pistol port. And you can even see that this bracket is further down from the top of the edge of the turret. I mean, Tonde did a pretty good job. And then we see the ammo can. It's definitely a little bit lower than this. Maybe not by a lot. I mean, who knows? The back edge of like the back edge of the compartment kind of is almost straight out from the turret, and this one angles up a little. So yeah, I'm gonna move that down a little, and make a few changes. There's another really good picture back here a ways. So you can kind of see how much room the gun barrel has above the ammo can, and it's sticking above that compartment. That's not the picture I want to show you. See, like, I'm looking at a couple of different tanks, but yeah, see this picture? You can clearly see how much room it has between the barrel and the top of the ammo can. And it's just past the middle of this compartment, and it is sticking up a little. And this is a different tank. And even this, it shows you it's just a piece of flat bar that's been rolled, and they nipped the corners off it so they're not sharp corners, just to hold that. It's welded on. Nothing fancy. And so this piece that holds the yoke of the gun might even be like the little gussets holding it on. This might, the center of this might even be closer to the turret edge. But it's kind of hard to determine how low it is. And this thing, my God, it like goes out on quite an angle backward. So I'm gonna like very carefully cut a shallow groove so I can like stick this part in and to glue it on to help strengthen it. I might even cheat and put a little piece of styrene behind it here to give it more of an edge to glue onto. But it is pretty close. It's not too far back from the front edge of that opening. And you can even see here how far this is down from the top. So I don't know, it's just, you know, I'll make it work. It'll look halfway decent. So sorry, this is getting to be a long video. I'm gonna just stop it right now, and I'll keep adjusting things as I need to.